A book fair paragraph. A book fair is a captivating celebration of literature that entices bibliophiles and curious minds alike. Rows of colorful stalls adorned with titles from every genre create a labyrinth of literary exploration. The air is thick with the scent of ink and paper, and the soft rustle of turning pages weaves a gentle symphony. The book fair is a treasure trove where classics stand shoulder to shoulder with contemporary bestsellers, inviting visitors to embark on literary journeys across time and space. Enthusiastic authors engage in passionate conversations about their works, sharing insights and inspirations with eager readers. Book signings transform ordinary books into cherished keepsakes, bearing the author's personal touch. The fairgrounds buzz with energy as readers discuss their favorite authors and discover new voices, forging connections that transcend the boundaries of the printed page. Children's laughter rings out from corners where fairy tales come to life, sparking young imaginations. Workshops and talks foster discussions on literature's influence on culture, society, and personal growth. From the avid collector hunting for rare editions to the curious browser seeking an escape, the book fair is a melting pot of stories and ideas, a place where words wield the power to transport, transform, and unite. Amidst the bustling stalls and the kaleidoscope of literary choices, the book fair encapsulates the magic of words, reminding us of the profound impact they have on our lives.